everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable save screenshot to clipboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you will see save screenshot to clipboard is here. If you want to enable save screenshot to clipboard, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, save screenshot to clipboard is enabled. After enable screenshot to clipboard, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable save screenshot to clipboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.